It's very high. Be careful. Ooh, be careful. Now, are you going to take it back to the living room?
Can you carry it back to the living room?
Pick it up.
Whoa!
Oh,
Oh, girl.
Oh.
You are the strongest.
You sit down.
Sit right there. Excellent. Oh, that's pretty
Oh.
Muscle lady, you're so strong. You need a break.
There you go. Now what? Oh.
No. Really? Maybe.
Sit down.
Good
for a rest.
girl. What a strong girl.
You are going to... Remember those Russian weightlifters?
I know. I think she's going to the Olympics.
Okay, I better stop.